Hey, I'm Cornelis. Welcome to Your Band is a Business. So, it finally happened. I reached more than 200 monthly listeners on Spotify. It took me forever to reach 100 and about 8 or 9 months to double that. So, things are accelerating. This is mostly organic listenership. I know that there's a playlist that I'm on where the curator spends a couple of quid a day to bring in traffic, but overall, this is organic and it's down to me promoting myself on Instagram and TikTok, here on YouTube, in real life when I play gigs and perform at open mic nights. So things are going in the right direction ever so slowly, but who knows, it might accelerate. I mean, that's what you hear sometimes, right? Slowly in the beginning, and then things start picking up faster, picking up speed. And well, so far, as I said, it took me years to get to 100 and then 8 or 9 months to get to 200. So who knows, maybe I can double it in the next 3 or 4 months. I'm certainly very excited about that being a possibility because the weather is getting nicer here in London, so that gives me more opportunity to get outside and shoot more video content. I have some gigs happening, so this month I'm performing a band gig on the 12th of April at the Slaughtered Lamb, and then a 45-minute solo acoustic show with Brant on trumpet at, I think it's called the Lucky Pig, and that's the 28th or 29th of April. Look me up on Instagram and you'll see the details there. So I'm busy on that front. At the same time, I'm preparing new music, so new music is being mixed, and I'm also thinking ahead to what I want to do this summer, because I want to record more music for the next year. I have been a bit quiet on here, but as you can tell, that's because I'm busy doing the thing. This channel, Your Band is a Business, it's always been about somebody that is actually doing the thing, and I'm not just talking theoretically or about my clients or anything like that. It's all about me being an independent artist, trying to figure out what works, what doesn't work, and then coming back and sharing my experiences and also learning from other people, because I'm not pretending to be a guru. I haven't figured it all out, obviously, but I am learning slowly and I'm picking up things, and the music is coming and the audience is slowly coming, so I'm happy, I'm excited. And if ever you think, okay, where's Cornelis gone, it's a bit quiet, go check out my social profiles on here, on other platforms, and then you'll see what I'm getting up to. In short, in brief, TikTok is mostly still I'm experimenting with different kinds of short form videos, although a lot of the gurus are saying that you need to figure out one thing and stick with that and just do that over and over. So I need to look at all the types of content that I do and find something that, okay, that seems to be the best, and just focus on that. And okay, maybe I can throw in some different things once in a while, but I've seen it, the gurus, I've seen them show examples of artists that have blown up and they've literally been posting the same kind of video for months and months. So I guess, the proof is there, for me to try the same thing. Here on YouTube, I've been posting a variety of content, lessons on how to play my songs. I have a gig diary, so it's kind of a vlog where I go to gigs around London and I take footage of the bands that are playing, and sometimes I get a chance to talk to the bands afterwards, or the people that were attending the show. And those types of content are there in order to increase some watch time on my channel. It's there because other people might do a search for that other band or artist and they'll find my channel. The guitar lessons, again, are there because, okay, genuinely some people do want to know how to play my songs, but also that is content that's 15 minutes, 20 minutes long, and that's a longer watch time, right? And that is good for YouTube in order to see that people are engaging with your content. So that's my YouTube strategy at the moment. What else is going on? And I'm still growing this mustache. I'm definitely in the Hungarian medieval warlord phase at the moment. At some point I want to try and trim it, but for now I just have to let it grow, and who knows, in a couple of weeks I can style it a bit better. If you have any advice about how to style a mustache, then leave a comment below. Okay, that's it for now. That's just a quick update because I'm quite busy with a bunch of things. Let me know what's going on with your music, how you are promoting it, what's working for you, what's not working for you. Let us know in the comments, and we can all help each other grow together. I'll speak to you guys next time.